Reception. So today we're going to do some model writing. So your challenge today is to make a fact file for one of the big five. Now you've been listening to Miss Wimpney reading the story of the Ugly Five. So I'm going to model writing my animal fact file using one of the Ugly Five. So the name of the animal that I'm going to write about today in my fact file is a warthog. So I'm going to pop his name just up here. I'm going to write down what I can hear. So warthog is a tricky one to sound out, but you might have a mat at home that have got some of the animals from Africa on there, so you could have a look and see if your animal is already named, and maybe you could copy the name of the animal from there. So the next part of my fact file is they need a picture. So I'm going to draw a picture of the warthog. So I'm going to get started, but I might pause the video and then come back to you just once I've done him, okay? Okay, so that's my warthog. Again, you know that Miss Lewis's drawings are not that amazing, but some of you are great artists, so have a go at drawing. Okay, so now I've drawn my picture of my warthog, we are going to write a description of my warthog. So remember, when we're writing sentences, we need to count how many words are in our sentence to help us to remember what we're trying to write. We need to use a capital letter to start our sentence and end it with a full stop so we know we finished. So I'm going to put my pen down a second while we just count the words that are going to be in my sentence. So I'm going to write, warthog looks like a pig with big tusks and hair. So I've got 11 words in my sentence. Should we say it again? Warthog looks like a pig with big tusks and hair. Okay, let's get ready for writing. So remember, I said I needed to start my sentence with a capital letter. So I'm going to write my A, and now I'm going to write my next word. Remember, when we were counting, we had those spaces in between our words. So I'm going to use my finger space. And I've got the word warthog up here, so I'm going to copy it from up here. So a warthog. My next word was a warthog looks. So again, I'm going to use my sounds. Can you help me to sound out looks? L, k. So again, keep reading your sentence to check it makes sense. A warthog looks like, it's a tricky word like, but you can use your sounds to help you to write any words, even if you don't know how to sound them out. Don't know how to spell them, you can sound them out. A warthog looks like, and then I had a pig, so another word, a pig. You can help me with that one. What can you hear in pig? Pig. Well done. 3 sounds, so I'm going to write them. Pig. Okay, let's keep reading. A warthog looks like a pig, and then I had with big tusks and hair. So with, So a warthog looks like a pig with big. You can help me with that one. What can we hear? That's right. With big tusks. Tusks. And then my next word, and nice easy one that we all know how to read and write. And my last word was, let's read it through and let's see if you can remember. A warthog looks like a pig with big tusks and hair. Well done. There's a trigraph at the end. We haven't learnt that one yet, but we are coming on to that very soon. And I need that full stop to end my sentence. Check it makes sense. Make sure you read what you've written, and you can always go back, remember, and just put a line through anything that needs changing. Okay, so the home, I need to say where this warthog can be found. So this warthog is often found in grasslands. So I'm just going to write where you might find a warthog. So in the grasslands. And the food might need to go a little bit lower so that I can keep doing my writing. So the food that a warthog eats is grass. And we have the word and again, which we had up in our sentence, so I can copy it with my finger space. And they eat plants as well. So again, finger space, plants. Plants. And then at the bottom you've got some other interesting facts. So before you start your fact file, you could have a think, have a bit of a research with a grown-up and see what else you can find out about your... Okay, so now you've done your research and found out all your interesting facts. I found out that the warthog can live for up to 17 years. So I'm going to write that just underneath my interesting facts. Okay, so let's count the words that we've got in our sentence. So warthogs can live for up to 17 years. So I've got 8 words in my sentence that I need to write. So my first word is warthogs, which I can copy from up the top. Warthogs, and then my finger space, because it's a new word, can. Can. My next word was live. Again, this is a tricky one. So again, use your sounds, remember. If you're not sure how to write a word, just use the sounds that you can hear and the diagrams you know to match. So warthogs can live for, this has got one of our digraphs that we've done, so so warthogs can live for up, you can help me with that one, up, well done. My next one, 2. It's one of our tricky words, but I'm sure you can remember how to write it. And the O, remember? Let's read what we've got so far. So warthogs can live for up to, and then I said 17, so I'm going to write the number 17, and then my last word was years. And what do I need to finish my sentence? Well done, leave my full stop. Okay, so this is my fact file, all about the warthog. You're going to go and write a fact file now about one of the big 5. We are so looking forward to finding out what you find out all about them, and we can't wait to read them on ILD. We'll see you soon, reception. Bye.